All right, let's go through your homework. So here you're given the equation x squared plus y squared. Wow, I'm sick. X plus 2, the quantity squared, plus y plus 4, the quantity squared, equals 4. And you're shown here the graph of it. So things that you should be noticing, hopefully you got from the notes, is here's the center point, which is at negative 2, negative 4. Notice, plus 2 plus 4, negative 2, negative 4. That'd be a good association to make. The radius here is this distance, which is 2. And if you square root 4, you also get 2. So we'll try another one, same idea. If you look here, that appears to be the center, which is at negative 1, positive 4. Look, 1, negative 4, negative 1, positive 4. Coincidence? I think not. And then the radius is 3, square root of 9, 3. This one's always a little bit trickier. There's nothing added to x, so the x-coordinate is 0 for the center. The y-coordinate is negative 2, 0, negative 2. And once again, the radius is 2. Okay, so now we have to identify the center and the radius and then sketch the graph. So this won't be so bad. The center will definitely be at 1, 2. The radius will be the square root of 17. That number, I'll use my calculator off screen here, square root of 17. I have it as about 4.123. Okay, so if we're going to graph this, we'll go to 1, 2. We have to make a circle that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little bit more. 2, 3, 4, a little bit more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll try to make something that looks halfway decent. Oh, I was doing so well. I'm embarrassed by that last one. Oh, my goodness, I got rid of too much. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, whatever this looks like, I'm just going to keep. Yeah, that's awful. It is so much easier to write on paper. Okay, so the next one, the center is going to be at 0, positive 4. The radius is going to be the square root of 1, which is just 1. So 0, 4 is up here. And a circle with radius 1's pretty easy to draw. As terrible a drawer as I am. This one has a center of 4, 1, and a radius of 2, square root of 4. So 4, 1 is here. Radius of 2 means we're going to have points 2 away from the center in all directions. Okay, almost done. So the last thing we have to do is write an equation for the given circle information. So we have a center at negative 12 and 11 and a radius of 7. That equation would just be x plus 12 squared plus y minus 11 squared equals 49, because the 7 is squared. The next one would just be x minus 4 squared plus y plus 5 squared equals, so this one will confuse a couple of people. The square root of 8, if you square that, you get 8. So that's going to be our number here at the end. The last one, we're going to have x minus 0, which means we just have x squared, plus y minus 6 squared equals 81, which is 9 squared. And that's it.